dear students. How are you? I hope you all are well and healthy during this pandemic disease. Now, today in this lecture, we will learn about some properties of materials. Properties of materials according to the classification of substance. इसके according हमने substance का classification किया है. So, in the previous classes, we have already discussed luster, texture, and state. Luster is sign, the substance which are sign, they are called luster. Texture, there are two types of texture, rough and smooth, and hard and soft. And the state is the materials formed in three states. First is solid, second is liquid, and the third is gaseous state. So now today our next topic is solubility. Our next property is solubility. So first of all, what is the meaning of solubility? Solubility क्या होता है? Solubility means होता है बेटा घुलना, घुलनशील होना, किसी भी materials का दूसरे materials में dissolve होना क्या कहलाता है? Solubility. So the definition of solubility, the property of a substance, the property of a substance to get dissolved in water is called solubility. Solubility means किसी भी पदार्थ का ऐसा गुण जो वाटर में घुल जाता है, वाटर में किसी भी पदार्थ का वाटर में डिसॉल्व होने का जो प्रॉपर्टी that